Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to see how to consume REST services. Hope you guys are seeing my first video. I explained how to publish the REST services. In this video we are going to consume it. Okay, let me start with get call. Try it out and execute. Okay, good. The actual configurations are available under the call section. Okay, let's start consuming it. I'm just opening the application. Okay, let me add one button to consuming it. Yeah, it's microflow call. So already we have one microflow, we can use the same. Activity, select call REST service activity. Now the actual phase, configuration. Location, here we need to give the host URL or request URL. We'll go to Swagger and copy the request URL from the call section or request URL section. Yeah, I'm just pasting the URL here. And you guys know what is the HTTP method here. In general, other than these two remaining, we are used for specific usages only. Please refer the document if you want to know more. Now we are going to HTTP header section. We are not having any authentication now. Only we have one HTTP header. Okay, we can go to Swagger, Skype and Hutch defining the headers. We have only accept application / JSON. Yeah, I'm just pasting it. Yeah, header section is over now. For get all the records, we don't need to pass any parameters. So here we have only response only. Again Swagger. So here we can find the response format. Okay, let me copy the response. Okay, now selecting the response handling as apply import mapping. I'm just creating the new import mapping also. Okay, import mapping is created. Now for schema source, I'm just creating one JSON structure with the response. Yeah, I'm just changing the custom names. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, now I'm selecting the JSON structure. I'm just selecting all and mapping automatically. Done. Yeah, entity is also created. Yeah, now REST call. I'm just changing the variable name. All done. Let's execute now. Okay, for checking a value, I'm just adding a breakpoint. Let me open application and trigger it. We can see the variables. Yeah, we have the value, but we should see the list also, right? Okay, it's part of association. We can add the association here. Retrieve list from association. Yeah, we have the employee list now. Again, I'm executing it. Okay, let's trigger again. Hope now we have the values. Yeah, we have the values. Get call is done. Okay, let's we go to next call. Get by key. I think it's very straightforward. We need to pass the parameter over the URL. Also here response is not list, it's object. Okay, let's start with JSON structure creation. I'm just pasting the new response. I'm just configuring it. Now the new import mapping creation. Yeah, the same way we are just selecting the JSON structure and map automatically to create the entities. I'm just duplicating the existing get call microflow, adding a button also, get by key. Let's go to microflow. As I mentioned, it's very simple change. Only in the location URL we need to append the employee ID. Yeah, also we need to change the response also. Yeah, I'm just changing as per the new one. It's done. Now we can go to location. Let me copy the URL. Yeah, I'm just simply changing the new URL. Just hard coding only. Yeah, now I'm just executing the application. Same way, adding a breakpoint. Let me trigger the call now. Step into variables. Yeah, I can see the values now. The name is money. It's working fine. Now instead of hard coding a value, can we try with the variables or input parameters? You guys understand it's very straightforward. We can just pass a variable. That's it. Yeah, here we are using plus for concatenation. Okay, let's execute now. Get by key call. Yeah, breakpoint is hitting. Step into. Yeah, now I can able to see the variables values. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. The next video I will explain the other methods in different way. Instead of breakpoint, I will go with the UI way. We'll meet you there. Bye.